Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2015 Kia Forte 5 EX. So the Forte 5 denotes that it is a hatchback, so they started doing that in the mid-2000s. So carrying the same mantra over to the 2015 model series. So we have a very, very nice Kia here. These are great cars. Excellent on gas, good safety, good comfort, easy to maintain. Powered by a GDI engine, so that is gasoline direct injection. It's a 2.0. Never had any issues with this engine. Some of the Kias, Hyundais can have issues with the 2.4, but the 2.0 is a good motor, so you're all safe to go on this car, despite whatever you would hear about Kia's engines and such for this time period. So all good. Clean and clear headlights. Comes with LED daytime running lights as well as fog lights. It has new tires, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, and then we get a full leather interior. So make a couple submodels to the Forte 5, so you get the EX or the SX. So just mainly differences in engine. But this one's pretty loaded. So it comes original owner's manual, nice clean dashboard, CD player, AM/FM stereo, satellite radio, backup camera, and then we get Bluetooth connectivity, all kinds of good little features for a newer vehicle. You get the UVO powered by Microsoft, you get auxiliary USB connectivity, you also get dual charging ports as well as ice cold AC, and then we get a heated seat for both driver and passenger, and then a ventilated seat for driver only. Dual cup holders, nice spacious center console armrest storage, charging ports, and then up top we get dual vanity mirrors, and then lights are adjustable with the switch. So you do have to toggle them on the switch, and sometimes they just need a little press, but they do work. And then sunglass storage. We also get an auto-dimming rear view mirror ability for home link for garage door, and then we get a sunroof. So lots of great options here. Automatic windows for driver and passenger side. So a lot of like little features that really add up in the long run. And then this has power folding side view mirrors. So when you park the car and get out, you know, it's got a keyless smart entry. So as the car detects you're by it or opening it, the mirrors will power fold out, and then they'll power fold in when the car is shut off. And for the back seat, we get a lot of utility here. We get power, the rear fold down seats, and that really expands the trunk space back here. And then we get a tire inflator kit in case you need any roadside assistance there. Kia and Hyundai, very famous for that. Chrysler as well, to just include tire inflator kits versus selling a spare tire. So usually it's an expensive option, so people just opt for the tire inflator kit. But everything looks really good. It comes with the rear windshield wiper, side impact airbags, the body's in great condition, and it only has 2 previous owners. So roof, really good. Everything's working there. And then we get dual memory seat functions, and we get an exit seat function. So as you turn the car off or on, the seat will move forward or back from the steering wheel. So as I turn the car on, I'm now moving closer to the steering wheel. And we got the memory seat adjustment there. Heated steering wheel, traction control, interior illumination, and then an active eco mode. So you can turn that on or off. Just adjust throttle response so you don't consume as much fuel. And then we get automatic headlights, fog lights, interval front and rear wipers, multi-function steering wheel to include drive modes, cruise control, info on the front center dash and between the odometer, and then we get Bluetooth and stereo functions. So lots and lots of features. I mean, this is a ton of features for a Kia Forte 5, for a Kia in general. Very, very good. This has a lot more features than most other vehicles have, so really cool that it comes equipped with all of these features. So power, one-touch sunroof, stereo works great, rear backup camera works great, and then as you can see we have a host of information here, so we can toggle through and just adjust user settings. We have range, service in, so it keeps track of oil changes, keeps track of how much fuel economy is left, and then if you switch to the auto fold in, as you can see, both mirror functions work, and then pushing it out, they both respond out, and we get a push to start. We get drive modes. You have sport, comfort, normal. So lots of good features here in the Kia Forte 5, and it's offered at a great price. So if you want a newer car, just over 100,000 miles, super clean condition, and a host of features including keyless smart entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, tires are new, everything's ready to go. This is a steal of a deal and one really great car. So if you want something new, all the features, this Kia Forte 5 is definitely for you. You can find this beautiful 2015 Kia Forte 5 EX hatchback exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.